I'm like a baby koala.
Therese, did you get up on your own? Yeah. Okay, wait, sorry. Let's be serious.
Are you stuck?
On your own.
What? Yeah, I made it up. And this hurts. It's a real painful spot. And this looks awkward, doesn't it?
You ride that tree, Roger.
Are we ready?
No!
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Spin her like 4 times. Or 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Therese, you can say stop. Stop!
Do you want me to stop it, or do you want to keep, like...
She can stop it. She can stop it. Stop it!
Oh, nice. She's still spinning. Let's
Not
see her
true.
eyes. Open your eyes.
Ready? Ow! Ready? I can't get it. Ow!
Oh!
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Keep spinning me.
Keep on going.
Faster! Okay, slow down. My boot. Whoa!
It blinked at us.
Okay, wait.
That way. Get out that way.
Open your eyes.
Wait, no, wait, let me stand, let me stand. Is he doing it? Like, why are you so close to my face?
Because it's so
I'm
big.
watching the background. You're blocking my view of the background. Okay, it's calming down.
Kick.
Alright. You wanna go the same way or another way?
I don't care. I go both ways. Wait, what?
We already know that.
No!
You pulled in.
Whoa!